Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the 10th video lecture of the chapter Conservation of Biodiversity. According to syllabus, in today's video we have to discuss about Red Data Book and migration. So in previous video I have already discussed Red Data Book. What is Red Data Book? Red Data Book is the book that keeps an account of the endangered species of plant and animal, and it is produced by WCU. Earlier it was produced by, it was published by IUCN, but it is now produced by WCU, means World Conservation Union. So this thing is already explained. So now we have to discuss about migration. Okay, what is migration? Listen. Seasonal movement of animal and plants in large number from one place to another to avoid unfavorable condition, okay, and returning back to the original place when favorable condition returns is called migration. What is migration? Movement of the animals and the birds from one place to another for avoiding unfavorable condition and for means returning back when favorable condition returns. So this is called migration. Why do animals migrate? Mass movement. In our junior class you have heard this definition: mass movement of animal from one place to another to avoid unfavorable condition for breeding and for getting food and water. This definition you know from junior classes, so I am not repeating same definition. I am giving you something that you just, it should be more explanatory. You are in class 8 now. Next, why do animals move from one place to another? Reason: first, to avoid unfavorable condition, means to protect themselves from unfavorable condition. Second, to obtain favorable condition of temperature, of food, of water. Okay. Third, get best place for breeding. For example, salmon is a sea fish, means fish that is found in salty water. It swims to the fresh water for laying eggs. After laying egg, she return back to the sea or the salty water, means they migrated for only laying eggs. Okay. Next, Siberian crane, Arctic tern. These are the example of the birds that fly from one place to another. Okay. So we will see those things. So what is migration? First, write down the definition of migration. Seasonal movement of birds and animals in large number from one place to another to overcome unfavorable conditions and return back to original place or habitat when condition become favorable is called migration. Okay. Next is reason for migration. Reason for migration. What is the reason for migration? First, to escape the harsh or unfavorable climatic condition. Okay. Next is to get more favorable condition of temperature, food or water. Okay. Third, to get suitable condition for reproduction. Examples: salmon, fish swim from seawater to fresh water for laying eggs and return back to seawater. This is the example of migration. Second is Arctic tern. This is also an example of migration. It migrates around 19,000 kilometers from North Pole to South Pole. So Arctic tern fly from North Pole to South Pole about 19,000 kilometers. Means it moved from North Pole to South Pole and return back to North Pole. When means this Arctic tern, this can fly from North Pole to South Pole and return back to North Pole. This flight is around 19,000 kilometers long. Next is Siberian crane. This bird is found in Siberia. So Siberia is very cold place. During winter the temperature is too low, means extreme cold is there. To avoid that harsh condition, this Siberian crane fly from Siberia to warmer places like India. In India, Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and when the winter ends in the Siberia, they will return back to Siberia. So this is the example of migration. Means it fly from Siberia to warmer places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan when the climatic condition. Wait, I will write. Okay, sorry, it was not fitting at the bottom, that's why I have written here. Siberian crane. So Siberian crane move from Siberia during extreme cold to warmer places in India like Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and fly back when winter ends in the Siberia. So three examples I have given you of the migratory organism, means the organism that migrate: salmon, Arctic tern, and Siberian crane. There is much more. There is there is monarch butterfly. That is also example of migratory, or means animal or bird, what you say. So butterfly, insect is there. So these are the example of migration. So I have given you three example: what is migration, reason for migration, and examples. Okay, hope you understand, and please read the red data book or the video, see that video, I have explained that. So don't tell that today's syllabus or routine is not followed, it's already there. Okay, if still someone is having any problem, you can ask in the morning, I'll be there. Okay, thank you.